Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing sterile conditions and weighing ingredients precisely. This prevents contamination and preserves glutathione activity. Measure 1 g reduced glutathione and 10 ml distilled water. Sanitize tools with 70% alcohol, wear gloves, and set a clean, shaded workspace because glutathione oxidizes with light and heat. Once done, pour distilled water into a sterile beaker and pre-warm to room temperature. Make sure not to exceed 30 degrees C. Now you're ready to dissolve the powder and move into controlled mixing. Now dissolve the glutathione into the 10 ml distilled water with gentle stirring until fully solubilized. Aggressive agitation introduces oxygen. Once dissolved, measure pH and adjust slowly to a target of 6.5 to 7.0. This preserves stability and skin compatibility. After pH is stable, add the 1% hyaluronic acid carrier and 0.5% preservative for shelf life. Mix gently to integrate, then pass the solution through a 0.22 micron sterile filter to remove particulates and potential microbes. Finish by transferring the filtered serum into an amber glass dropper and minimize air exposure to slow oxidation. Seal the vial and refrigerate at about 4 degrees C. This extends usability to roughly 2 to 4 weeks. Make sure to perform a small patch test on inner forearm for 24 hours before facial application, because reactions can occur. If the serum darkens, smells off, or becomes cloudy, discard it. That indicates oxidation or contamination. If minor separation appears, shake gently and refilter if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.